Discovering AI and Robots. Tech Talk. In this chapter, we will learn about artificial intelligence, domains of AI, applications of AI, benefits of AI in daily life, what are robots, fields where robots are used, humanoid robots. Artificial intelligence (AI) is a type of technology that keeps getting smarter. It is helping us in many ways, from smart devices and virtual assistants to better robots and healthcare. Learning about AI is important because it will shape the future and the way we use technology every day. Artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence (AI) is the ability of a machine to perceive its environment and take decisions in order to achieve a definite goal. For example, AI is used in virtual assistants that answer questions and games that can think like a human player. AI allows machines to copy the way humans think and solve problems. To mimic how humans think and act, AI needs to be trained by developers. They use data and special rules called algorithms. For example, an AI robot learning to sort fruits can be shown many pictures of apples and bananas. Using this information, it can begin identifying each fruit correctly. Domains of AI. AI is divided into three main domains: data science, computer vision (CV), natural language processing (NLP). Data science. Data refers to raw facts and figures that can be collected and analyzed. In the data science domain, AI systems extract knowledge and insights from both structured and unstructured data using scientific methods, algorithms, and processes to make predictions and decisions. Computer vision. Computer vision helps computers see and recognize images like humans do. Using pictures and videos, AI can find and name objects and understand what is happening. For example, it can help a robot recognize a ball, chair, book, or allow a phone app to recognize our face and unlock the screen. Natural language processing. Natural language processing (NLP) helps machines understand and use human language, whether written or spoken. When we ask Siri or Google Assistant to play a song or tell the weather, it understands our words and gives the right answer using natural language processing (NLP). Applications of AI. AI is used in many areas. Some examples are agriculture. AI can help farmers in growing and harvesting crops. It can spot pests and plan which crops to plant based on the weather. AI also helps in seeding and harvesting at the right time and in keeping the crops healthy. Healthcare. AI helps doctors in diagnosing complex diseases like cancer, diabetes, and cardiovascular diseases. Google, Microsoft, IBM, and Intel are investing huge amount of money in AI and its application in the field of healthcare. Customer support. AI can help companies answer questions and solve problems of their customers without human help. They use special computer programs called chatbots that can understand what people are asking and give the right answer. Space exploration. AI helps spacecraft move, analyze data and images, and control robots on other planets. This allows scientists to explore space more easily and learn about planets, stars, and other objects, helping us understand the universe better. Benefits of AI. Let us learn about some benefits of AI. 24/7 availability. AI chatbots can help customers at any time, day or night. For example, Google Assistant can book a table at our favorite restaurant, while bank chatbots can answer questions about opening a saving account or checking our balance. This means help is always available without waiting for a person. Saves time. AI apps can handle large amounts of difficult data very quickly and give correct results in seconds. If humans did the same work, it would take much longer and need more people. Accuracy. AI apps are very accurate because they use special computer programs called algorithms to process data correctly. Friendly. In the future, AI may support people emotionally and physically. Even today, it can understand human language with the help of natural language processing (NLP), as discussed earlier. AI in daily life. Many people use AI in their daily lives without even realizing it. Here are some examples of AI tools we use often. Gmail. Gmail uses AI to sort our emails into different groups such as social, updates, promotions, and spam. AI works in the background to read and automatically place each email in the correct folder category. Smart Reply in Gmail. Smart Reply is a feature in Gmail that uses AI to suggest quick answers to emails. When we start reading a message, Gmail understands the text and shows short reply options at the bottom. We can click one of them to send an instant reply. Google Search. When we type something in the Google search box, we often see suggestions appear below it. These are created by AI, which guesses what we might be looking for and shows related search ideas. Recommendations. Most of the streaming apps like Netflix, YouTube, and Spotify make use of AI to recommend shows, movies, and music on different genres based on the viewer's choice. E-commerce apps like Amazon and Flipkart also use AI to recommend products. These suggestions make shopping and entertainment more fun and personalized for each user. Alexa. Alexa is a smart device that is becoming very popular. It uses NLP to understand what we say. When we speak to Alexa, it changes our voice into text and sends it to a cloud server. The server figures out what we want and tells Alexa what to do. Alexa then gives the answer or performs the action. Navigation. Apps like Google Maps use AI to show traffic conditions and the time it will take to reach a place. AI checks the speed and distance of moving vehicles and studies mobile signals in an area to find out where traffic is heavy. This helps people choose the best route to travel. What are robots? Robots are automatically operated machines that can perform specific tasks with little or no human intervention, offering speed and precision. Robotics is a branch of engineering and science that deals with the design, construction, and functioning of robots. Fields where robots are used. With technological advancements, there are many areas where robots are being used. Usually, robots are assigned specific tasks. Now let us understand the different fields where robots are used. Security and surveillance. Security and surveillance robots equipped with sensors, cameras, and AI provide capabilities ranging from perimeter patrol and anomaly detection to interacting with potential threats. They handle tasks that are dangerous, repetitive, or require round-the-clock monitoring, thereby improving overall safety and security. Examples include the Nightscope K5 and SMP Robotics S5.2. Manufacturing. Robots are widely used in manufacturing to automate various tasks, enhancing efficiency, precision, and safety. Common applications include assembly, welding, material handling, painting, and quality control. Unimate, developed by George Devol and Joseph Engelberger, was the first industrial robot that joined the assembly line in 1961. Customer services. Customer service robots are AI-powered machines that help customers by answering questions and solving simple problems. They can be humanoid or non-humanoid and often work alongside human staff. Nadine is a social robot that can greet people, make eye contact, and remember past conversation. Cooking. Robots capable of cooking use robotic arms, sensors, and AI to carry out tasks such as chopping, stirring, and even learning new recipes. Molly's robotic kitchen is known as the world's first fully automated kitchen. Healthcare. Robots help in surgery, patient care, rehabilitation, and hospital work. For example, the Da Vinci surgical system gives surgeons precise control, allowing very small and accurate cuts that are difficult for human hands to make. Space exploration. Robots play an important role in space exploration by performing tasks that are too risky or impractical for humans. They assist with scientific research, construction, repairs, and exploration, helping expand the limits of space discovery. One example is NASA's Robonaut 2 was the first humanoid robot on the International Space Station ISS. Humanoid robots. Humanoid robots are robots that resemble and act like humans, typically engineered to imitate authentic human expressions, interactions, and movements. A humanoid robot usually has a head, arms, and legs and can perform actions like walking, talking, and moving objects. These robots can interact with people in a friendly way using speech, facial expressions, and gestures. Let us learn about some interesting examples of humanoid robots. Mitra, India, developed by Inventor Robotics. Mitra is a humanoid robot designed for customer service and interaction, used in various Indian businesses and events. Manav, India, India's first 3D printed humanoid robot. Manav was developed by the A-SET Training and Research Institutes and is designed for educational purposes. Asimo, Japan, developed by Honda. Asimo is a humanoid robot known for its advanced mobility and ability to interact with humans. Vyomitra, India, developed by ISRO. Vyomitra is designed for space missions, specifically to assist in unmanned missions such as the Gaganyaan mission. Sophia, Hong Kong, developed by Hanson Robotics. Sophia is a social humanoid robot known for its human-like appearance and conversational abilities. Atlas, USA, created by Boston Dynamics. Atlas is a humanoid robot capable of performing a variety of physical activities such as walking, running, and jumping.